Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amratul Afifah binti Muhammad Sahari. Okay, today we will talk about misconduct by estate agent. Okay, real estate agency was one introduced by British during the colonial era, which middlemen were the one who were responsible in the land transaction previously. During England Industrial Revolution of the 19th century, the practice of real estate agent becoming potentially profitable, where the property development industry has developed massively and the property market have risen exponentially. Okay, the real estate business severely becomes affected by inefficiencies and unhealthy behavior. This situation forced Estate Agent Act 1979 enacted in England, which purposely to control the practice of estate agent. Okay. In Malaysia, the practice of estate agency got its influence to be controlled from the England, as nowadays estate agent in Malaysia is ongoing governed by many guidelines and also the laws such as the Value Appraisal Estate Agent and Property Management Act 1981, Act 242, Malaysian Estate Agency Standard, and also guidelines, circulars and directives issued by Board of Value Appraisal Estate Agent and Property Managers. Besides that, Malaysia's Institute of Estate Agent MIEA had also specifically developed code of ethics for the estate agent profession in order to protect the interests of the general public against fraud by practitioners or illegal agents, or as well as elevating and encouraging practitioners to achieve a high standard of professionalism. Okay. The cases of misconduct of estate agent practice is not a new scenario in the real estate industries in this whole world, even though the practice is controlled by the professional bodies, which had aligned the do and also the don't of practitioners while in the practice. Okay, for example, in Malaysia, as reported in the New Straits Times newspaper, the Act 242 is seen failed to stem the real estate misconduct, where even a registered estate agent also not abiding to the Act 242 and misconduct of his profession in Malaysia. Furthermore, the Registrar of Board of Value Appraisal Estate Agent and Property Managers BOVEAP also emphasized that its enforcement team is extremely active in the investigation of any misconduct activities by illegal or registered estate agent practitioners. The cases of misconduct which committed by the judge and also the penalties imposed by the disciplinary board upon the respective registrants were published by the boards in the website.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nurizatul Salwa binti Hassan. Today I will proceed our presentation with real estate agent. So what mean a real estate agent? Real estate agent is as a board registered professional involved agency word estate section under section 2 of Act 242. So the estate agent can present himself to the public or to any individual or organization. So estate agent can work as a public to organization or individual. So the estate agent will get the commission, fees and also reward because of sale or another disposal of real estate. So the purchase of acquisition of land or structure. So we have 4 categories in real estate agency. Firstly, exclusive agency. Secondly, single agency. Third, joint agency. And 4 is basic and home. The misconduct in the practice of real estate agency. So what the misconduct that estate agency need to practice? We have 4 engagement that can constitute a various form of misconduct. So what's misconduct? So misconduct is defined as unacceptable or illegal conduct, especially on the part of an employee or professional organization. So any employee or organization, we have conduct that employee must to follow to practice their work. Next is misconduct is very important to those who fail to comply with the board and other professional institution guideline and regulations. So misconduct as the guideline for them to practice their work. There are several cases that have their misconduct and the estate agent must to follow. First, modern advertising, failure to register with the board, and misrepresentation. So any works that real estate want to do must have guideline, and they will follow this misconduct.
Hello, hi, I am Azfa Afka and I will be presenting about the Act and status related to an estate agent. So the firstly is Act Values Appraisers, Estate Agent and also Property Manager Act 1981, which is Act 242. In Section 24, these are the following list that cannot be done by a registered estate agent and also a professional real estate agent, which is first is convicted any offence involving fraud, dishonesty or moral turpitude. Second is found to have obtained registration or authority to practice had through fraud or misrepresentation. Three has their qualification withdrawn or cancelled by the required or awarding authority. Four fails to comply with any provisions and rules stated in the Act. Five is found guilty of professional misconduct by the board. Six refuse or neglects to comply with any order provisions and rules set by the board under this Act. Okay, so if those real estate agent and also